Oftentimes, people who start their own beauty lines have something in common about their stories. They or their kid, spouse, or a friend had a concern that needed a solution. They might have tried several products on the market, but those products may not be as effective as they need them to be. So they decided to find the solution themselves. Either they start learning to become professional formulators, or they conduct research online, reading articles, or even going back to their roots by exploring ingredients with the potency to bring relief or a lasting solution. Through this journey, they developed a formula that either provided lasting relief or a permanent solution to their problem. And just like that, a new product was bettered. Simply by taking the bold step to seek knowledge, they were able to create something valuable that now benefit others dealing with similar conditions. Personally, I experienced skin dryness and dark under eye circle since the age of 5. I really wore short dresses because my skin wasn't as smooth as I would have liked. My dark eye circle became a part of me. Her parents didn't know any better. They didn't even know what to look out for in the skincare product they bought. So for someone like me, I was left to figure it out on my own. But the breakthrough came a few years ago when I ventured into makeup artistry. I trained at a fantastic makeup school that introduced me to skincare. And that was the first time I truly understood my skin type. I also gained a basic understanding of how to improve my skin texture. That training wasn't a formulation course. It was promising, but not focused on formulation. However, my trainer was an advocate for good skin health. And through that process, I learned how to mix different quality products in the market to create something unique for myself. My focus was on body oils and serums. I ended up making an amazing body oil serum, technically a bi-phase serum since it contains both water, glycerin, and other water-soluble ingredients. Using this serum improved my skin texture significantly. My skin became smoother and I can now proudly wear short and mini dresses as much as I want. So, what made the difference? Knowledge. They say knowledge is power, and without it, you are just an empty vessel. Learning to formulate isn't just for launching a beauty line. It goes far beyond that. As a formulator, you'll be able to make informed decisions about the best product for your skin type. You have a clear understanding of what to use to resolve common issues like dryness, acne breakouts, sensitivity, hyperpigmentation, and more. You, your spouse, your family, and your kids, your friends will all benefit from the well of knowledge you have acquired. Our beginner's course is carefully curated to help you learn the basics of skincare formulation. You will learn about the skin, ingredients, good manufacturing practices, and how to create market-worthy skincare products, from butters, balms, toners, mists, to oil serums, lotions, and creams. You can pre-enroll right now and you will enjoy amazing discounts once the course goes live.